Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information on personal finance. Let us continue our ongoing journey in the zoo where we visited. The next creature which we would be seeing is a fox. Fox is known for its cleverness and tactical moves. In finance, a fox-like investor thinks ahead, outsmarts the market noise, and crafts small entry and exit plans. The investors, who are denoted by the metaphor fox, are the smart investors or hedge fund managers who use complex strategies to minimize risk and maximize the gains. Foxes are adaptable. They survive in forest, desert, cities. They adapt fast. Similarly, successful investors or traders who are resembled with fox are such investors who adjust their strategies based on market conditions, not on their emotions. So the lesson that we learn from such trait is that the market changes, so you should change your plan as an investor or a trader. Another quality of fox that resembles with certain investors, and this quality is an essential part in financial industry, is that the fox is a silent observer and not a loud player. Similarly, investors who have this sort of trait does not roar. They observe quietly and act smart. In the markets, these discreet and disciplined investors win over loud and impulsive ones. So the lesson that we learn from such trait of being a silent observer and not a loud player is let the performance do the talking, talk less and analyze more as an investor. A fox is a calculated risk taker. It doesn't jump blindly. It evaluates danger before attacking. Similarly, investors who are like fox assess their risk and their reward, and they do not trade emotionally or blindly. They assess their risk-reward ratio and then initiate a trade. This is what smart investing is all about. It's about calculating the risk, not the avoidance. The next creature is a honeybee. In the world of financial markets, the honeybee is a powerful symbol of diligence, consistency, teamwork, and long-term wealth creation. Here's how the nature of honeybee connects to successful investing. The bee works daily and tirelessly, collecting nectar bit by bit. Likewise, successful investors keep on investing regularly through SIP and build wealth slowly but steadily. So the lesson that honeybee reveals in financial markets is that tiny and regular contributions can build a sweet financial future. A bee's goal isn't instant gratification. The goal of a bee is to build the hive and store honey for the future. Similarly, the investors which have been resembled by the metaphor bee are the wise investors who focus on long-term growth and not on market noise. The market lesson which this trait of bee reveals is that as an investor, we should think long-term and we should focus on the compounding, not on the short-term gains based on volatility. Honeybee works in a team. They succeed as a hive. Similarly, teamwork is also essential as an investor when you want to succeed. So as an investor, if you want to succeed, you have to create a team of different asset classes for your portfolio. Your portfolio should include a component of equity, debt, gold, alternative investments, hybrid instruments, and other asset classes. The economic growth is also an outcome of teamwork, including the businesses, employees, governments, investors, etc. Similarly, the busy honeybee reflects the teamwork. They are busy, collective, organized, so they reflect a thriving industrious economy with strong fundamentals and cooperative systems. Learning is a never ending process, and we keep on learning irrespective of our age. Hope you are learning from this video. As they say that learning is never ending, however, this video has come to an end. We are not done yet with the birds, animals, and insects who all are present in the financial markets. The other type of birds, animals, and insects would be covered in the forthcoming video. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then